How to fix sound or audio issues in Starminer. Navbar 1. Restart the game in PC. Close Starminer completely. Restart your computer, launch the game again, check if audio is working properly. Number 2. Check in-game audio settings. Open Starminer, go to Settings, open the Audio tab, make sure audio is not muted, increase master volume and sound effects volume. Number 3. Check Windows sound output device. Right-click the speaker icon, select Sound Settings. Verify the correct speakers or headset are selected. Test the audio device. Relaunch the game. Number 4, set your audio device as default. Open Control Panel, select Sound, right-click your active audio device, click Set as Default Device, apply the changes. Number 5, update audio drivers. Press Windows X, open Device Manager, expand Sound, Video and Game Controllers. Right-click your audio device, select Update Driver, restart your PC. Number 6, disable audio enhancements. Open Sound Settings, select your playback device, click Properties, open the Enhancements tab, disable all enhancements, apply the settings. Number 7, verify game files. Open Steam, go to Library, right-click Starminer, select Properties, open Installed Files, click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Number 8, close background audio programs, close Discord overlays, disable Xbox Game Bar, exit equalizer or audio enhancement software, relaunch Starminer. 9. Install DirectX and Visual C++ Redistributables. Download the latest DirectX runtime. Install Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributables. Restart your PC. Launch the game again. 10. Reinstall Starminer. Uninstall Starminer. Restart your computer. Reinstall the game from Steam. Launch the game and test the audio.